Jai Hind, dear students. Hope you have done exercise 2I, question number 1, A and B. Now today we are going to start with question number C. Now see, it is written that find the number that is 1260 less than 7296. That means what is the number which is 1260 less than 7296. These two are the bigger numbers, so it is little tough to calculate it mentally. That is why we are going to replace the numbers with smaller numbers. For example, I am replacing 1260 with 3 and 7296 with 7. Now you read the question. Find the number that is 3 less than 7. It is little easier to calculate. That means what is the number which is 3 less than 7? So obviously it is 4. How do you come to know the answer? It is subtraction. When you subtract 3 from 7, you know that the difference is 4. So the number 4 is 3 less than 7. So if we are subtracting 3 from 7 to get the answer, very same way we should subtract 1260 from 7296 to get the answer. So here is the solution. 6 minus 0 is 6, 9 minus 6 is 3, and 2 minus 2 is 0, 7 minus 1 is 6. That means we are subtracting the smaller number 1260 from 7296. So the difference is 6036. That is why the answer will be 6036 is the number that is 1260 less than 7296. Only this answer statement we have to write in this question. Now coming to the next question, D. How much smaller is 3698 than 21065? Means 3698 is smaller than 21065. We can see that this number is smaller than this number. So the question is, how much smaller is this number than this number? So again we are replacing the number with smaller numbers. So I am replacing 3698 with 5 and 21065 with 8. Now you see the question. How much smaller is 5 than 8? 5 is smaller than 8. Then how much smaller? It is 3. 5 is 3 smaller than 8. That means we are subtracting 5 from 8. Then we'll come to the answer. If we are subtracting 5 from 8 to get the answer, that means we need to now come to the original number, the final number. The original number is 3698 in place of 5 and 21065 in place of 8. That means we need to subtract 3698 from 21065. So here is the solution. We are subtracting 21065 and 3698. 15. 5 minus 8 is not possible, so 1 tens will be borrowed from 6. So now it is 15. 15 minus 8 is 7, and this 6 will become 5. So 5 minus 9 is not possible. That is why 1 tens will be borrowed from 0. So 0 cannot give anything. So this 0 will get 1 tens from here. So 1 tens, that means it will become 10, and now it will give 1 tens to 5. So 5 will become 15. 5 minus 9 is 6, and now it is 9. 9 minus 6 is 3, and it is 0. So 0 will get 1 tens from 2. So 10 minus 3 is 7, and 1 minus 0 is 1. So the number is 17,367. Then you will write the answer that 3,698 is 17,367 smaller than 21,065. Clear? This is the way we have to write the solution for D. Now come to E. Here it is written, by how much is 43,462 less than 50,693? Again, we can see that this number is smaller than this number. So this is the only question, that how much smaller is 43,462 from 50,693. Again, the problem is same, that these two are bigger numbers and we will face problem to solve it mentally. So that is why we are going to replace the number with smaller numbers. Then I replaced 43,462 with 6 and 50,693 with 9. Now check, by how much is 6 less than 9? 6 is less than 9. By how much? So it is 3. How can we get the answer? Again, subtraction. If you subtract 6 from 9, you will get 3. Come to the original number. In place of 6, we have 43,462, and in place of 9, we have 50,693. That means we are going to subtract this number from this number. Okay, so come to the solution. 3 minus 2 is 1, 9 minus 6 is 3, 6 minus 4 is 2, and 0 minus 3 not possible. 1/10 will be borrowed from 5, so it will become 10. 10 minus 3 is 7, and here it is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Then we'll write 43,462 is 7,231 less than 50,693. Okay, this is the solution for E. Now come to the question F. It seems little bigger, but it is very easy. What number should be subtracted from 64,932 so that the difference is 13,894? That means what number should be subtracted from this number? What should be taken out from this number to make it 13,894? Clear? Again going to replace the number with a smaller number. Now see, what number should be subtracted from 10 so that the difference is 7? That means what number we should take out from 10 to make it 7? Or you can take it like this also, that if you have 10 mangoes and you want to make it 7, how much mangoes you need to eat? Obviously we have to eat 3 mangoes. So how do we come to the answer? We are going to subtract 7 from 10. Now come to the original number. If we are subtracting 7 from 10, that means we need to subtract 13,894 from 64,932 to get the answer. That is why we are subtracting. 12 minus 4 is 8. 1/10 will be borrowed from 3, so it will become 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. Now this 3 will become 2. Then this 2 will take 1/10 from 9 and will become 12. So 12 minus 9 is 3, and 8 minus 8 is 0. 4 minus 3 is 1, and 6 minus 1 is 5. So the answer will be 51,038 should be subtracted from 64,932 to get 13,894. This is question number 1F.